Maximum students are knowing, I think, laws of logarithm you are knowing. Laws of logarithmic function. Very first, if it is asked for log of AB or log of xy, it is written, suppose log of xy to the base a, then we can split this as log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. If it is asked for log of x upon y to the base e, then we can split this as log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. Means if it is multiplication, then addition of logarithm. When it is division, then subtraction of logarithm. Suppose this third situation is here, log of this x is there but it is raised to m and base is a, then we have to write here m into log m, it is shifted and is log x to the base a. This is your third law. Now there is change of base. Fourth one law, it is a change of base. Change of base. In that one also we are having law here. Suppose here it is log x to the base y we are having, then we can write this as log x to the base a upon log y to the base, same base we have to take, log x to the base a upon log y to the base a. Here base is y but this base is here a, means base is changed and that's why it is called change of base. We can solve problem on logarithmic function with the help of these four bases. That is, first one, it is logarithm of product, it is logarithm of quotient, it is a logarithm of power, and this is a change of base actually. Now we solve few problems from your book actually, and in next lecture we will take next article from function, and then it is a completion of chapter function. Actually very first question I will give here. Suppose this is the first question. If f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1, question is find. A question is f of 0, B question is f of minus 3, and C question is f of 1 by 2. These are the three questions asked. I think solution for this problem is very simple. I will rub this matter here only. Now in order to find the value f of a, bit starts here, f of which quantity is asked? 0. So we can place 0 here. It is 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 1, and what should be here? 0 minus 0 plus 1, it is equal to 1. Which bit it is completed? A bit is completed. Now coming to B option or B bit. B bit is f of minus 3. F of minus 3, we have to place here f of minus 3, means x is replaced by minus 3. This x is replaced by minus 3, means it is minus 3 square minus of minus 3 and plus 1. Minus 3 square means 9, minus minus it become plus 3 and plus 1, it is equal to what? I think it is minus 3x, sorry. It is minus 3 and x is replaced by minus 3 plus 1, means we are having 9 plus 9 plus 1, and it comes out to be what? 19. Coming to C, this next bit, that is sub bit, f of 1 by 2. In order to get f of 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2 means this x and this x is replaced by 1 by 2. So we are writing 1 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 1 by 2 and plus 1. It is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 1, and it is equal to, what is LCM here? 4. 4 divided by 4 it is 1. 1 into 1 it is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into minus 3 it is minus 6. Here it is plus 4 1s are 4. So required answer is minus 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, and minus 1 upon 4. That much it is for A, B and C. Your question number 1 stops here only. Now take question number 2. Question number 2 is like this. You are having question number 2 here. Question number 2, find x if g of x equal to 0, g of x is equal to 0, where sub question A, g of x is equal to 5x minus 6 upon 7, and second question is g of x is equal to 6x square plus x and minus 2. I think this is also simple one. Here g of x is given, but that g of x should be 0, and under such a condition we have to find the value of what? X. Now take very first, that is sub question A, that is. Now we'll take sub question A. Now concerning to sub question A, here g of x is given to be what? G of x is given to be 0. What is g of x? 5x minus 6 upon 7, it is equal to 0. So 5x minus 6 cross multiply, if we take 7 into 0, it is 0. So what is 5x equal to 6, and what is value of x now? X equal to 6 by 5. Now we have solved this A bit. Now coming to second bit, I will rub this matter here only, and here it is B sub bit. Here again g of x is given. What that g of x is given? G of x equal to 0. So 6x square plus x minus 2, it is equal to 0. 6 2s, it is a routine matter from primary level. 6 2s are what? 12, and minus sign, so it is minus 12. Can I write this as 4 into minus 3? 4 into minus 3, it is minus 12, and algebraic sum of 4 and minus 3 is plus 1, and we want coefficient as plus 1. So I will write this as 6x square plus that 4x minus 3x minus 2, it is equal to 0. This 2 and this 2 terms separate. Here 2x is common, remain is 3x plus 2, minus 1 is common, 3x plus 2, it is equal to 0. First term is 3x plus 2, second term is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So very firstly it is 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and second is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2, 2x is equal to 1, x equal to minus 2 by 3, x equal to minus 1 by, or it is plus 1 by 2, x equal to what? Plus 1 by 2. Now question number 3 I will take. Here find small x if f of x equal to g of x, where they are given again two sub questions. First sub question is f of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x square, and g of x is equal to 1x square. After that there is a sub question B, f of x is equal to root of x minus 3, and g of x is equal to 5 minus x. Just work out and get the required answer. We want the value of x actually. Now if it solve this for small a, very first here which condition is given? Here f of x and g of x both are same. What is f of x? F of x means that portion, x raised to 4 plus 2x square, and it is equal to that g of x means 11x square. Now shift all on left, x raised to 4 plus 2x square minus 11x square, it is equal to 0. So x raised to 4 minus 9x square equal to 0. X square is common, remain is here, x square minus 9 is equal to 0. So x square into x minus 3x plus 3, it is equal to 0. So we are getting three values. From first it is x equal to 0, from second it is x equal to 3, and from third it is x equal to what? Minus 3. So what is the question here? Find x, and we are getting the values of x here. X has three values, x equal to 0, x equal to 3, or x equal to -3. Now coming to that second question, that is f of x and g of x are given, and condition will be same. What is that condition? F of x equal to g of x. Now we'll start that question number B, that is sub question B. Now if we continue for sub question B, what is given here? Here f of x equal to g of x. What is f of x? It is the root of x minus 3. It is equal to g of x, it is 5 minus x. In order to remove this square root, that is on squaring, if we make squaring, it is x minus 3 is equal to 5 minus x bracket whole square. If we continue, it is x minus 3 is equal to square of 5, it is 25 minus 10x and plus x square. Shift all terms on right hand side. Now you are getting your next here 25 minus 10x plus x square minus x and plus 3 is equal to 0. So which quadratic? X square minus 11x plus 28 and is equal to 0. Very good thing happens. I think factors are minus 7 and minus 4. So this minus 11x, it is splitted. X square minus 7x minus 4x plus 28 is equal to 0. These two terms and these two terms. Anything common from first two? X is common, x minus 7, minus 4 is common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. First factor is x minus 7, second factor is x minus 4 equal to 0. If we find directly, then x equal to 7 and x equal to 4. These are the values of x when condition is given f of x is equal to g of x. I think we have completed 3 questions. Now coming to fourth question. Find the domain of f of x is equal to log of x minus 5. Now here f of x is given. What is f of x? It is log of x minus 5. Now here base is not written. Remember one thing, when base of logarithm is not written, then that base is what? E. E means it is an irrational number lying between 2 and 3. So base is greater than 1, it is 100% allowed. Here we want domain set. Domain of f of x. I will write the definition of domain. It is the set of values of x. Set of values of x for which f of x is defined. F of x is defined. Those who are having clear definition about logarithmic function, then remember one thing, a raised to x equal to b, then x equal to log b to the base e. Now what are the basic condition? This a, b, c all are real. Second condition is a and b both should be greater than 0. Means this a and b, logarithmic number and base both are greater than 0, means this logarithmic function is defined if this x minus 5 is positive and e is positive. Remember one thing, e lie between what? E lie between 2 and 3. That's why this base is always positive, but we want this logarithmic quantity, it should be positive, means this x minus 5 is positive. This function f of x function should be defined if this x minus 5 is greater than 0, and that value we want, and that is called domain. If we want definition of domain, then once again pause the video and see clear cut definition of domain of the function. What is the domain of the function? We have to write all the values of x, such values for which f of x should be defined, and clear cut this function is defined if these both quantities should be positive. Here e is automatically positive, means it should be positive. Right here we can write like this, f of x is defined if this x minus 5 should be greater than 0, means x is greater than 5. So what is domain of the function? This is domain of the function. Actually, domain of f of x means function all numbers greater than 5 means 5 to infinity. I think problem is solved. So what is the domain of the function? If it is asked question, then domain of such a function is 5 to infinity. Suppose fifth question I will take. Domain of the function. Fifth question, find the domain. Find the domain of the function. Find the domain of the function. Log of x square minus 5x. Log of x square minus 5x plus 6 to the base 10. Once again, I think this problem and previous problem both are same. In order to define a logarithmic function, what is the condition? These two numbers should be greater than 0. Clear cut, 10 is greater than 0. So just one condition is remain, and that condition is this quadratic portion should be greater than 0. We have to write like this. What is the definition of domain of f of x? Once again I will write the definition. It is set of values of x. Set of values of x for which f of x is defined. Now f of x is defined if, what is the condition? This function should be defined if both numbers should be greater than 0, and automatically 10 is greater than 0 means this is just remain. This is defined if x square minus 5x plus 6, it should be greater than 0. Factorize this now. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, it should be greater than 0. These 2 and these 2 now. X common, x minus 3, minus 2 common, x minus 3, it is greater than 0. First factor is x minus 3, second factor is x minus 2, it is greater than 0. Now here, if I take this a and this as b, then it is your primary duty when both are positive here. Critical points are here 2 and 3. Critical points means these are the points where this total polynomial becomes 0. Critical points are x equal to 3 and x equal to 2. After that we are getting means 3 and 2, these are not allowed. डोमेन मध्ये कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूज असतील फक्त किंवा कोणत्या व्हॅल्यू नसतील, 3 आणि 2 नसतील, मग बाकीच्या कोणत्या व्हॅल्यूज असतील त्या जर चेक करायच्या असतील तर त्याप्रमाणे टेस्टिंग करता येईल. दिस x minus 3, it is a greater than 0. We will take first case. Suppose case number 1, x minus 3 is greater than 0, x minus 2 is greater than 0. If both numbers are positive, then multiplication is positive, means x is greater than 3 and x is greater than 3 and x is greater than 2. So tell me any number which is greater than 3 and greater than 2. There are infinite numbers. Greater than 3 are always greater than 2, means actually we can say this as x is greater than 3, means x belongs to what? 3 to infinity. If we take second case, suppose second case, product of two numbers should be greater than 0. First case is both are positive. Second case is also there. These two numbers are negative, means x minus 3 is less than 0 and x minus 2 is less than 0. So x is less than 3 and x is less than 2. How many numbers are there which are less than 3 and less than 2? I think all these infinite numbers, from minus infinity to all numbers are always greater than less than 2 and all numbers are less than 2. So what should be here answer? X less than 2 means from which one to which one? Minus infinity to 2. What is the definition of domain of the function? Domain of the function is set of all values of x for which f of x is defined, and f of x is defined for this region also, and f of x is defined for this region also, means f of x is defined for this interval union this interval, and we can write domain of the function as this first open interval union this second interval. So we can write domain of f of x equal to, so we can write domain of f of x equal to, firstly I will write this one, minus infinity to 2 union, second it is 3 to infinity, and whatever I have written on the board, this is called domain of the function. Now For sake of convenience, I will take one example in which we will find both, that is domain of the function and range of the function. Question number 5, that is domain and range of the function. I think 5 questions are taken now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take a 6th question. Find the domain and range. Find the domain and range of the function. Domain and range of the function. Find the domain and range of the function. F of x is equal to x plus 4 upon x minus 2. X plus 4 upon x minus 2. Now we will solve this problem and then we will stop. एवढा प्रॉब्लेम घेऊया आणि थांबू आपण म्हणते. Here if we want domain of f of x, it is set of values of x for which f of x is defined. तुम्हाला फास्ट वाटत असेल तर एक बेस्ट काम करा, या व्हिडिओला पॉज करा आणि पुन्हा एकदा हे वाचून काढा. म्हणते व्हॉट इज द डोमेन ऑफ फंक्शन? इट इज सेट ऑफ व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ एक्स फॉर विच एफ ऑफ एक्स इज डिफाइंड. नो एफ ऑफ एक्स इज डिफाइंड इफ हे पॉलिनॉमियल किंवा हे रॅशनल पॉलिनॉमियल डिफाइन करायचं असेल तर फक्त डिनॉमिनेटर जो असेल, डिनॉमिनेटर शुड नॉट बी 0. means this x minus 2 is not equal to 0, means x is not equal to 2. So we are directly getting domain now. What is domain of the function? Domain of the function means we can take all real numbers excluding these 2, that is r minus 2, and just 2 minutes, एक 2 मिनट फक्त आता कंटिन्यू करूया. that is the range of the function, range of f of x, and definition is like this. It is set of values of y. Y means function for which f of x is defined. Now we are considering y as f of x. Now here y is equal to f of x, means y is equal to, what is function given? x plus 4 upon x minus 2, na? x plus 4 upon x minus 2, cross multiply, xy minus 2y is equal to x plus 4. This is the technique to find range of the function. Cross multiply. Now x is this y, this x is taken on left. Here it is xy minus 2y plus x equal to 0. This x and x will take on left. It is y here, na? xy plus x, if we take xy minus x, it is equal to, y is taken on right, that is 2y plus 4. So x common, y minus 1 is equal to 2y plus 4. So x equal to 2y plus 4 upon y minus 1. Just one condition is there, y is not equal to 1, and range means values of y. Domain means values of x and range means values of y. Which values are not allowed here? 1. So clear cut we are having range of f of x is equal to, clear cut answer, that is all real numbers excluding just 1. This matter it is completed but chapter is not closed. In next lecture, पुढच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण याचा रिमेनिंग जो पार्ट आहे तो पार्ट कंटिन्यू करूया म्हणते. ठीक आहे, लेट इट बी विल स्टॉप हियर.